In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate member areas into your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic feature that allows you to create sections of your site that are exclusive to specific users, whether it's for sharing premium content, providing access to a VIP club, or offering online courses. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, we'll begin by enabling the member areas feature on your Squarespace site. Start by logging into your Squarespace account, and once you're in, navigate to the website where you'd like to add member areas. In the left-hand sidebar, you'll notice a menu. Click on Settings, then look for the Member Areas section. Once you've found it, click Get Started to enable this feature. Doing so will unlock a plethora of new possibilities for your website, allowing you to offer tailored and exclusive content to your members. Next, let's create a new member area. Head over to Pages. In your main menu, you'll see a plus sign, which is the Add Page button. Click on that and then select Member Area from the options provided. You'll need to give your member area a name. This could be something like Premium Content, VIP Club, or perhaps Online Course, depending on the kind of exclusive material you intend to provide. It's crucial to choose a name that resonates with your audience and clearly defines what the area offers. After naming your area, you'll need to set the access level. You can decide between a free membership that only requires sign up or a paid membership that can either involve a subscription or a one-time payment. By setting the correct access level, you'll ensure that your users have the exact experience you wish to provide, whether it's exclusive access for paying members or free access to a wider audience. Now that we have our member area all set up, it's time to add content. Open the member area page you've just created. This is where the real excitement happens, as you get to fill this space with valuable and engaging content. You can upload a wide variety of content types like videos, articles, PDFs, courses, or any other exclusive resources you wish to offer. Imagine the possibilities: creating a suite of educational videos, a library of in-depth articles, or perhaps a series of downloadable PDFs. You're not limited to a single page either. Feel free to add as many sub-pages as necessary to organize your content efficiently. Think along the lines of sections like Module 1, Downloads, or Bonus Lessons. The goal is to structure your content in a way that makes it easy for your members to navigate and find what they're looking for. And there you have it, the complete guide to setting up member areas on your Squarespace site. By following these steps, you'll be able to offer exclusive, engaging content, creating a more dynamic and personalized experience for your users. Thanks for watching, and happy building!